Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Financial Express newspaper headline. So, first of all, SEBI proposes new framework for index provider. Next, Airtel plans listing of payments arm. Next, India Australia interim FTA to take effect today. Next, Google gets demand notices from CCI for fines. Next, carbon to support McLeod's debt recast. Next, for India INC hope floods. Next, Mukesh Ambani at the rate 20. Next, common man's budget wish list. Stop freebies, impose sin tax on junk foods. Then on page number 2, it's an economic section. Under that, PK Srivastava appointed acting CVC. Next, 1,53,000 people died in 4,12,000 road accident in 2021. Next, applications invited for judicial technical position at NCLAT. Next, Arun Kanti Bakachi assumes charge as RINL Director Projects. Next, PM to flag off Kolkata Metro Corridor, New Vande Bharat Express. Next, no full GST recovery from IBC firms, CBIC. Next, how ports lead development will help. Next, traders can import refined palm oil without license. Next, India Australia interim free trade agreement to take effect today. Next, the year which show record subsidiary debranding. Then we comes to page number 3 in that economic section. FDI inflows skewed in favor of services India ratings. Next, court extends custody of Kochhar's Doodh till today. Next, free import policy for key pulses extended by a year. Next, Uzbekistan Alix made in India syrup killed its kids launches criminal probe. Then we comes to page number 4, it's in companies section. Under that, Reliance Jio rolls out 5G services in 11 cities. Next, Airtel launches 5G in Jammu and Srinagar. Next, Tata Power renewable projects in Karnataka. Next, Toyota Innova High-Cross priced at rupees 18.3 lakh 30 lakh rupees. Next, JK Lakshmi Cement ties up with Green Land Line. Next, Reliance Foundation announces scholarship. Next, Airtel eyes revenue boost with user upgrade, new biz verticals. Next, ranking and numbers do not matter, Adani. Next, CCI fines, Google gets demand notices over non-payment. Next, Air India pilot group 6 talk with management. Next, office real estate uh, absorption hits 3-year high in 2022. Next, air passenger traffic may reach 93% of pre-COVID levels in FY23. Then we comes to page number 5. It's in company section. In that, Sleepwell owner to buy Kurlon for rupees 2000 crore. Next, 6GH spectrum vital for telecom services beyond 2025 COAI. Next, telcos flag concerns over user experience to dot. Next, small cities see spike in OYO bookings in 2022. Next, on page number 6 in that opinion section. Under that, look before you leap. Next, China's COVID confusion. Next, go beyond plain vanilla IPOs. Next, EU's carbon tariffs could make pollution worse. Then we comes to the page number 8. It's an international section. In that, China COVID surge promotes prompts nations to adopt entry curves. Next, job prospects take a hit, incomes plunge. Next, Hong Kong scraps most rules. Next, Tesla's collapse hits 69% after deepest sell-off in April. Next, Japan factory output falls as demand cools. Next, jail to stock market manipulator. Next, Tencent wins nude for blockbuster. Next, FTX customers file class action to claim assets. Next, Tesla's collapse hits 69% after deepest sell-off in April. Next, Apple stocks at the lowest level since June 2021. Next, US scrambles to stop Iran from providing drones for Russia. Next, Moscow step up attacks. Then we comes to page number 9. It's an market section under that. SBI to consider raising fund via infra bond. Next, UCO bank to raise up to rupees 1000 crore via bonds. Next, shares and debt lower in choppy trade. Next, bond yields and higher tracking US peers. Next, rupee rises 7 paisa to 82.8 against the dollar. Next, BOI EXA investment others settle case. Next, Niva Bupa inks pact with Sahara Fincare. Next, L&T Fin accept bids for over 3-year bonds. Next, banks NBFCs sludge it out in gold loan biz. Next, banking collaboration and co-lending may increase. Next, Spandhana Spurti sells distressed loan portfolio for rupees 95 crore. Next, cracks in global credit market widen has distressed debt near $650 billion. Next, fintechs face a tough 2023 warns Bain and Company. Next, loans against FDs are hit among borrowers. Next, on page number 11 in market section under that SEBI purpose framework for index providers. Next, SEBI slaps rupees 75 lakh fine on ICCI NCL in Carvi stock broking case. Next, on page number 14 in that residential reality boom to stay in 2023. Next, disputed places of worship act. Next, green hydrogen to be used in fertilizer industry, Gatkari. Next, negative RT-PCR test to be mandatory for China arrival. Next, India could see a surge in COVID cases in January. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.